Hello, Mr. Sanjoy. Thank you so much for joining us today on this episode of High Tech Conversations.
Hi, thank you. Thank you for calling me. Thank you.
कैसा रहा है आपके लिए ये साल? ऑफ कोर्स किसी ने एंटिसिपेट नहीं किया था जो भी चीजें दुनिया में इस साल हुई हैं। आपके लिए पर्सनली फ्रॉम अ बिजनेस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कैसा रहा है ये साल?
देखो ऐसा है कि nobody anticipated how the 2020 will come, and we have seen that definitely we cannot say that 2020 बहुत अच्छा गया किसी के लिए. It is overall, it's a disaster for everybody, it's globally, it's for India, it is for everywhere. Okay, so that is a sad part. It's a good part that vaccination is coming, that economy is showing that positivity, and what we see that government is talking that economy is coming back and it's going to be a positive and all. So I feel from December onwards there's a lot of positivity ever since that vaccination started at US and other country, and India also ready. I think by June or July, what we are hearing from the different news that some first phase of vaccination will be done. So this gives a lot of hope. So everybody expecting things are better. So this is one thing, that is a country economy global. But as far as the IT is concerned, that information technology is concerned, as far as the ViewSonic is concerned, so I want to just pin down the things in India specific for the ViewSonic. Well, so it was actually give us a lot of opportunity. So it is a blessing in disguise. Though we feel bad for the people, loss of jobs and all,
right.
But where we see that market has exponentially boomed.
Correct.
In terms of the IT is concerned.
Anji.
So how it has working, everybody know that a new phase is called work from home, learn from home, and medical from home. So all these things actually created the IT gadgets requirement. Okay. And now come to ViewSonic is primarily, it is a display company, okay, in India. So that is LCD monitors and other displays. So right. What we have seen, so it has actually given a lot of opportunity that market become matured in India. If I tell you, Connect, that till last year, India was known for that low end market.
Right.
If I say low end market, it's a basic Me Too kind of product that 18-inch or 22-inch and all that. Only size matters, price doesn't matter. That connectivity specification doesn't matter.
Right.
What happened? This post that COVID, so people become conscious about what gadgets they're buying.
Right.
Like that, all the software engineers everywhere then working the laptop. So now they have been asked to buy an additional device called monitor.
Anji.
So those companies have spent good money for that. So now people are choosing 24-inch, 27-inch, 32-inch based on their work requirement, and also that learn from home. That is actually boomed the market big way. So learn from home has a two aspect. One is that mobile learning, like a lot of apps has been, now we can see that a lot of apps are there. So those are mobile apps.
Anji.
So watching and working on a mobile apps is a very, very tedious job. It is only 5-inch or 6-inch screen.
Anji.
So people are trying to move to the bigger screen. So when it's a bigger screen, it is nothing less than 22 or 24-inch or 27-inch. When they are buying, they also think, why I'm buying a screen, then I can also see as a second television, or I can see other content. So they look for a beyond HDMI. They see whether the Type C is there. Can I directly plug and play with monitor, right. Or the mobile phone? Can I see some other direct plug and play device on that? So right. These type of requirements come up. So we found this is the right time to enter India in a different way.
Right.
ViewSonic was present in India for many years, but we are lying low, right. in terms of our offerings and all. We are just catering to back-to-back demand. We are not going forefront.
Anji.
But once we see that market is increased, and when we talk to our fellow colleagues in different companies, we found that 24-inch and above size, that became a big chunk now.
Right.
That is more than 50%.
Anji.
So ViewSonic corporation has decided this is the time to expand in India.
तो ये तो बात थी आफ्टर द पैंडेमिक हिट अस, बट इनिशियली अगर मैं थोड़ा पहले लेके जाऊं आपको, जब इनिशियली वर्क फ्रॉम होम का सिनेरियो शुरू हुआ था, एंड फॉर अ ट्रेडिशनल आईटी कंपनी सच एज योर्स, what were the challenges shifting your day to day operations and work from home में पूरी ऑफिस को कन्वर्ट करने में, कुछ challenges जो फेस हुए थे उसके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए.
Initially, that we have seen that all the, if I see my customers, the customers that they actually understood from February. So who are operating from the offices, they already asked that this year we have to operate from the home. The challenges came that the execution of the order. So let's say we got an order from one company for 1,000 units.
Right.
Earlier we supposed to deliver it in one particular office.
Anji.
Now they told that you have to put the product to the individual home.
Anji.
So initially after this lockdown phase over, lockdown 1, lockdown 2, so once the situation is better, so again that the logistics become a challenge.
Anji.
So making that, let's say delivery to 500 different postal codes. Anji. So what is the challenge? But yes, our distributors and our logistics team has worked very well to deliver those products, and that to the contactless kind of delivery. So we have seen that the situation has initially 2-3 months was bad.
Correct.
But ever since May, it is actually boomed and people are accepting the product, and logistics is also working, trucks is going, so it is getting okay.
Right.
So we found it is different challenge. It is a logistics challenge, and also some for time being, we never expected such big surge in the demand.
Right.
So for some time the stock out situation also happened.
Oh wow.
But eventually that production has started and all that, so we got to stock. So maybe you can say September onwards business is as usual.
Wow, that's a very strong statement, business, and it's a very good and a positive statement as well. Of course, it's for the benefit of the entire industry and for everybody. So if you talk about the increase in demand, was there any particular product from your brand जिसकी demand ज़्यादा, especially उस product की ज़्यादा थी?
Yes, this product which are having a multimedia, like speakers inside, and who have a HDMI plus, let's say if somebody has a mobile phone connectivity, direct plug and play, those kind of products, which is 24 and 27 inch, we have seen the growth is more than 200%.
Oh wow.
Because it was requirement, and that work from home, or I'll just give you something. One more thing has increased. Cinema hall has been closed and people cannot go out, and this time you can see huge surge in terms of the OTT platform, which like Netflix and Amazon and all that. So a lot of film releases, a lot of series has releases there. So what we have seen, that a very unique thing I'll show it to you, that you have to see either in laptop or you have to see in your mobile. And the content is not so good that you can share with your family. So we have come out one device, just I'm showing to you.
Okay.
This is a monitor. It is not a laptop. It is just less than 800 gram, 900 gram weight.
Right.
And it's a monitor. And this monitor has started having good demand. So we'll be launching this product. We've got it. So this is you directly plug and play.
Wow.
From your mobile. Keep it at any surface like bed, a sofa, or couch, or your table. And you see whatever you want to do and whatever you want to work. And it is a touch-enabled display. It is a touch-enabled.
Wow. And I see Type-C connectivity also in there. उसमें Type-C के ports भी दिख रहे हैं side पे.
Yeah, Type-C ports are there.
Right.
See, right now I'm not attached with the connection. So it will take power even from your monitor.
Wow.
Or it can take power from laptop.
Oh wow.
Okay, so this will be your 15.6 inch screen. Like it is a mobile phone. Full mobile phone. It can give sound, it can give touch, all the look and feel. We'll get it what is mobile, we'll get it here. So device like this has been in a very high increase now.
Right.
So that is a change in the pattern, the way people use consumption of the monitor. So now it has been changed completely.
Interesting. Alright, so tell us about the future now. 2021 में क्या plans है ViewSonic के, and ऐसा कोई exciting नया product जिसके बारे में आप हमें थोड़ी details देना चाहें?
See, I told you this particular product. So we have just launched the product. Right. So it is doing extremely well in India, globally. India just we are launching from 26 Jan as a launching pad.
Right.
because this product, India is got the BIS and other all these statutory things. So this product is coming, and we see the huge demand for the product. That is a portable devices increase. So we are launching 2 portable devices in India. Okay, one is touch-enable, one is non-touch-enable.
Okay.
So people can use and take it anywhere. It is a 1 kg, 1.5 kg, or 800 grams kind of weight. That is one. Second is we are very strongly concentrating ourselves in terms of professional series of the monitor.
Okay.
Which is actually Quad HD or 2K, 4K. These are in a very high demand.
Right.
With color standard like Adobe 100% or sRGB 100% or Pantone color compatible. So those kind of products requirement is coming in India. Reason behind, India became a market for the content creation.
Right.
Content creation always require a very high level of high degree of the monitor.
Right.
So those are the area we have seen that demand is very high, but very less players available, and also there is not available out of the stock.
Right.
So we are focusing those area. Maybe I am looking for around 30 or 40 new monitor launch in India in the next 100 days. So more than 90% are either coming into 2K or Quad HD or 4K or 5K, or it will be the Pantone color compatible or sRGB or Adobe, or those will be 24 inch and 38 inch.
Right.
So that is the focus area we have actually set for our goal for 2020.
Interesting. So the 2 products that you mentioned, one of which is going to be touch enabled and दूसरा non touch रहेगा, उनके price points around किस point पे होंगे?
The touch enable monitor will be launching around a price of 9990.
Okay.
For the customer. There's a touch one. That non-touch one will be available for the customer is around 12 to 13,000 rupees in India. Yeah.
Alright, so Indian market as a whole, where do you see the future? आपने बड़ी अच्छी statement एक बताई कि November से for you business has been as usual. As a macro level answer, considering the entire, since you are at a leadership position, from an industry point of view, आपके हिसाब से tech industry और peripherals industry कहाँ पे जा रही है 2021 में?
See, people are looking for the better value proposition.
Right.
In fact, if I talk about the laptops, people are preferring a Core i5, Core i7.
Right.
So they need a better product, better graphics. So built-in graphics they need. So what we have seen that laptop the average price position has been pushed up to 50,000 plus, which was typically 35,000-36,000 rupees for till 2028-29. Okay. So now we see that gradual customer looking for the better product. So as well, they need a product which as a companion for the monitor or the PC, that will be the monitor. So primarily the market is going for the 2K or 4K as a resolution. Primary it is going with the display port. This is beyond HDMI because it can take the power, it can take the sound, and it can take the pictures. Right. And even it can take up to the 2K, 4K compatibility. So, 2K, 4K, Quad HD is the future for the monitor. Right. The DP port, mini DP port or Ethernet port is the future. And as per the color is concerned, Adobe 100% is going to be standard because if everybody wants to see the real time of color. So all these things we can see that is getting a de facto for 2021.
Correct. Alright, if I talk about high refresh rate monitors, your gaming series, any plans उसमें कुछ exciting नया product आने का?
Oh yes, this gaming series is another major for us. Right. We have seen that India market is now trending with the global.
Right.
Okay. So the what the Indian gamers need, what today is the Korean gamers or maybe Chinese gamer or maybe European gamers need. Right. So product is available across time. So no lag between the launch product, what happened in US and what of Europe and in India.
Right.
So what we see that things are changing. So 144 was a de facto. Right. So we are making 165 hertz, as a de facto.
Right.
We are looking at that 240 hertz also as a coming up. So you see that AMD FreeSync, NVIDIA G-Sync is one of the normal choice to the customer.
Right.
So and also the screen size evolving.
Right.
So earlier it was 24 is a preferred size. So now
Right.
people are going for 27 inch. So
Right.
27 inch with the 144 or 165 hertz or 1 ms. So those are going to the de facto standard. And this segment of people has enough money to buy the hardware. So the price is earlier is a barrier. Now the price is not a barrier. In fact,
Right.
the technology is a trigger, and there's a customer need, and we see there's a good demand is coming up for that.
Correct. So, अगर मैं conclude करना चाहूँ तो correct me if I'm wrong. I think ViewSonic as a brand is addressing the entire paradigm of buyers, right from an entry-level buyer to the high-end refresh rate hardcore gamer or a hardcore professional video editor, right?
See, we will be not focusing. We'll be there in the lower end.
Right.
We are not vacating the place because
Right.
we need to offer the complete kitty. But our
Right.
focus will be the professional series, our focus will be touch series, and our focus
Right.
will be the gaming series for 2021.
Interesting. All right, Mr. Sanjoy, thank you so much for your time. This has
Thank
been
you.
really काफी insightful रहा है ये, काफी सारी information हमें मिली है यहाँ पे. And all the best to ViewSonic, and of course, personally, I love that statement that business is back to normal and 2021 और भी better होने वाला है. आपके
Correct.
लिए, हम सबके लिए और हमारे सारे viewers के लिए भी.
Same to you. Take care.
Thank you for your time.
Okay, bye.